Hey girl, hey, I'm so happy to have you here. Make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell twice so that way you're notified every time I post a video. Of course, if you've been here all these years, I love you, girl. So as you guys can see, I got my hair done today. Finally. When I say I have not been to a black hairstylist, black hair salon in so long. Like, I just wanted to cry when I entered into it. So growing up, my mom used to go to, I can't remember the name, but it was on the other side of Winston. And so then we started going to Dudley Q's. I don't know if you guys remember Dudley School. If you're from North Carolina in the Triad area, y'all know Dudley Q's, the school. Well, they had salons around, and so we used to go there for the $25 doobie wraps and roller sets, okay? So back then, you know, I would go for the doobie wraps and for the roller sets and stuff like that, and they were $25. Today's price for roller sets, y'all know I need $25. I was just going to the salon today, just unlocked my childhood. Just seeing the salon chairs and black women, and you know, just, and there was also a guy in there too doing hair. Also, it was like, I love it because it was very diverse. It was mostly black women, but there was a Hispanic woman and a Hispanic man, and I like that because, you know, anybody can come to that hair salon. Even if you don't have like natural hair or black hair, you can still get your hair done there by somebody that can cater to your texture. So I absolutely loved it. So I went to Salon XChange. I'll leave her information down below. And Shaunte took care of me, y'all, when she was going in my scalp. Whoo, it was a hairgasm. Traditional sew-in with minimal leave out. So I did get a texturizer touch up. So if you guys saw in my last vlog where I was doing my hair care in that one vlog, and I put in letters that I got a texturizer last year. So yes, I am Tex-Lax. I know I went back to the creamy crack, but only texturizers. I haven't gotten like a full-on relaxer. I'll talk more about it in a video, but yes, I am Tex-Lax just to help manage my hair a little better. So I got a traditional sew-in with minimal leave out, and also she used Burmese hair. She used Burmese, so she had Brazilian and Burmese, and so I guess the Burmese was like a little bit fuller than the Brazilian. So like I said, I've never heard of Burmese hair. I've just heard Brazilian, Peruvian, Indian, you know, those kind of hair, but I've never heard of Burmese. So of course, the day I get my hair done, it wanted to rain because it's been raining like on and off here in Austin. So the raindrops and humidity did get to my hair a little bit, and my curls dropped because I did have some curls, but you can see a little bit here. You guys can see the edges. I didn't want a closure or anything because the way my closures have been looking on camera, especially with my synthetic wigs, or like just when I did have like a wig, I just can never get my lace or my edges when I'm wearing wigs to look right, especially on camera. So I said, you know what, I wanted a little bit of leave out, and she touched my hair. She did touch my hair up with a texturizer. Pull out my flexi rods because, you know, I want to try to avoid using too much heat, but you know, I might have to, especially because the rain did hit my hair today. I just want to make sure it blends in, but without me having to use heat on my real hair because I do have leave out. So I have my good old flexi rods. I love these. Just look at the colors. Ooh, just look at the colors. Use this for me and Maddie, but I'm gonna use them on mine. So I feel so good, you guys. Like, so we're just gonna make this a mommy maintenance kind of vlog. I want to get my toes done, but I bought some Gel X nails off of Amazon because I love the Gel X. I love the Gel X press-ons that they have for the nails, but I want to do those myself. But my toes, I need a good shaving and, you know, all of that. So I do want to get my feet done, but I want to do my own nails. And then I need to get my eyebrows threaded because I would like to get my eyebrows microbladed, like my touch up for my microblading. I do want to go back to the girl who did it in Laredo, but I don't know when's the next time I'll be able to go down to Laredo. So I don't know. Feeling good, feeling great. How are you? Something about getting your hair done that just changed your whole mood. I'm bummed about my curls dropping. I still Love the experience that I experienced today. The service was amazing. Shaunte really took care of me. And I love that she talked me through the process because, like I said, I have not been to a black hairstylist in God knows how long. And so since I was growing my texturizer out, or since I haven't had a texturizer in almost a year, you know, she was telling me how to like maintain it and take care of it. Basically, I want her to take care of my hair. Like, I love when they take their time to explain everything and give you tips on how to take better care of your hair. So that experience was so amazing and I'm so grateful. So I found them on TikTok and then I went to their Facebook, Instagram, and once I kind of felt good about it, because I wanted to go to an actual salon. I didn't want to go to somebody's house just yet or go to like, I don't know. I just wanted the salon experience again. And I got that today and I'm so happy. So let me go ahead and try to figure out how to put these on here. My forehead is bling blinging right now, but I love it. Okay, let me stop before I make it frizzy. Okay, y'all, let me go get the kids ready for bed and I'll holler at you guys in the next one. Oh, hey y'all, what's going on? So we are here in San Antonio. We just got to the garage. So we're here because we're here for a field trip. So hold on a second. Showed you guys earlier when I was getting ready, but I didn't show like a full outfit of the day. So I have on this top from Express, some high-waisted pants. I think these are from Express too. Either Express or H&M. I'll tag it for you guys. Then I have on this belt from H&M, my Louis crossbody on. So yeah, let me get Troy out and I'll come out with you guys. What's going on, you guys? So I'm finally about to get this vlog edited and I realized once again that I forgot to end the vlog. I don't know what's going on and why I be forgetting, but that's why I wanted to come on here and just end the vlog because, child, listen, life has just been so busy, on the go, non-stop. I need to take time to just pause and get my life together. Or I'm actually going to start a series on like Instagram and TikTok. I'm not saying I've been down, but I feel like either I'm going through like another life crisis and trying to figure out life, because nobody has it all figured out. Only God does, because he knows the plans that he has for us and our steps are ordered by him. period poo. I know it's social media, of course. I've talked about it like with my therapist on multiple occasions. You know, sometimes feeling behind or feeling like, you know, as a content creator or influencer, you know, sometimes I feel like I'm all over the place. I really don't have a niche because I'm not one to be put in a box, because sometimes I think too much out of the box, but also I'm not one to be put in a box because that's just not how I operate. You're like, you know, when you're a multi-passionate person and you kind of feel like you're all over the place because you have so many thoughts, so many feelings, just, I don't know, the content creation piece of my life, sometimes I just feel like I'm all over the place and I really don't know exactly where I'm going and what I'm doing at times. But you know, God just tells me every day, just show up and he'll do the rest. And how do I show up? And so I guess that's the piece that I'm trying to figure out, because obviously when you have faith, you just take the first step and God will take care of the rest. But it's like, okay, well, what exactly am I supposed to do with the first step? And so that's where the frustration has been coming from, because it's like, okay, what video am I supposed to talk about? Or what video am I supposed to do? What content? You know, I don't know. I'm all over the place once again. It's kind of where I've been lately. Just trying to figure out this whole journey that I've been on for God knows how long. And I still don't know where I'm going. Still don't know what I'm doing. So to edit this vlog so I can have it up for you guys. You can see I'm rebranding my personal brand, and also Wise Family Adventure, and also trying to teach my husband how to use social media and stuff like that, because I do like the editing and everything. I want to teach him how to use social media because, you know, social media is about community, it's about engagement. My husband's a little introvert, and so, you know, I'm trying to get him to, like, you know, engage more, how to use social media when it comes to growing our family brand together. So it's just a lot of good things happening. So make sure you guys are following us on Instagram and TikTok for more up-to-date and behind the scenes things. I'm just trying to figure out where God wants me to go, because, you know, I spend hours. That's why I'm kind of hesitant about even editing this, because I spend so many hours editing vlogs and videos and it only gets like 100 views. The short form content, it's like, you know, I can edit it in like 2 hours or so, and I mean, it's hit or miss sometimes. So I don't know. Like I said, I try not to focus on the numbers and stuff like that and just show up for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I actually want to go back to the hair salon and see if they can like style my hair, because my curls, it's been raining like crazy here in Austin. I'm like, yo, like I can't even enjoy my hair because every time I go outside, it's either sprinkling, it's raining. I don't know. So I would love to get my hair either like curled some more or freshen up, I don't know. But I know next time I go to get my hair done, so I'm gonna get a side part. I want to, because right now I have a middle part, so next time I want to get a side part, and then I think by then it should be 100 degrees here, so then I'll probably get braids for the summer. So we shall see. But anyways, I'm just rambling, but I wanted to come on here and just update you guys, say hello and goodbye. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share with everybody that you know, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.